Good morning students, welcome to ABS class. Today we are going to study a new chapter. Here comes a letter. So in this chapter students we are going to study about communication and different means of communication. So first of all, what is communication? What is communication? The process of sending and receiving messages from people is called communication. There were maybe different ways to communicate with each other. So the process of sending and receiving messages are called communication. Okay students, communication is very important in our life. Earlier people send messages through sign languages, like drum beats were sent far off places to convey the messages. In the same way, sometimes people send messages through by reflecting the light on the mirror or through smoke or fire signals. So these were the different ways to communicate with other people. And sometimes pigeons were sent to convey messengers, and sometimes messengers were walk on the foot or on horseback. But these types of method or these kinds of method take a very long time to convey the message from one place to another place. Now come to the next topic, different means of communication. There are mainly three means of communication, that is postal communication, telecommunication and mass communication. These are the three main means of communication, and in this firstly we are going to study about postal communication. What is postal communication students? Postal communication, when the messages are sent by post, this means of communication is called postal communication. And the example of postal communication students: postcard, telegrams, stamps, inland letters, envelope, etc. These are the example of postal communication. What is postal communication students? When the messages are sent by post. जब हम पोस्ट के थ्रू कोई मैसेज सेंड करते हैं, that is called postal communication. And postcard, telegrams, stamp, inland letters and envelopes are the example of postal communication. Nowadays it is धीरे धीरे डे बाई डे क्या हो रहा है, लेस कम होते जा रहा है इसका यूज. सो यू डोंट नो अबाउट हाउ इट वर्क. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या होता है, दिस द मैसेज इज रिटन ऑन द पोस्ट कार्ड और इनलैंड लेटर्स. इनलैंड लेटर्स एंड पोस्ट कार्ड्स जो होते पहले यूज होते थे, उस पर क्या होता था, वी कैन डायरेक्टली कैन राइट आवर मैसेजेस एंड सेंड इट टू द पर्सन. देन समटाइम्स इट इज रिटन ऑन अ सेपरेट पेपर, put in an envelope and send. और sometimes क्या होता है, we write messages on separate paper and send, keep it in envelope, put it in envelope and send it to the person. In the same way, to whomsoever the letter is to be sent, her name and address has to be written on the envelope. और जिसे भी हमें वो लेटर पोस्ट करना है, उस पर्सन का नेम प्लस एड्रेस should be written on the envelope. The person name should be on the envelope and we can send through it by the post. So what is the next process student? The written letter are posted into the letter box. The written letter are posted, we post that letter in the letter box, and then the postman collects all the letters and take them to the post office. Then the postman collects all the letter from the letter box and take to the post office. Then later he delivers these letters according to the address given on them, and after sorted all that letter according to the address, he sorted all the letters, then he delivers all the letters according to the address which is given on the envelope. जो आप लेटर पे एनवेलप पे स्टैंप लगा के अपना एड्रेस लिखते हैं, प्लस जहां आपको लेटर सेंड करना है, यू हैव टू राइट दैट एड्रेस ऑल्सो, एंड फ्रॉम अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट एड्रेस पोस्टमैन डिलीवर्स ऑल द लेटर्स. So student, this is all about postal communication. Now come to next communication, that is telecommunication. What is telecommunication students? Telecommunication is the exchange of message, words, image, etc. by wire as well as wireless. Sometimes telecommunication means in which we use telephone, mobile, fax, internet, etc. These are the example of telecommunication which we are doing in nowadays. Like telephone, we are using WhatsApp, internet, WhatsApp for and Zoom also, Google Meet also for our classes. In the same way, these are the today's means of communication, that is telecommunication. इसमें क्या होता है, हम we can exchange messages to our friends, relatives, with our students also. Then words like anything you can type or send messages, then images, photos you can send. That is why sometimes it can be viral and sometimes it can be wireless also. And then people use the phone to contact a person whether he is far or near. We can use phone contact with the person whether he is far or near to us, and we can talk to them. It is easy and quick means of communication. It is very easy and quick means of communication. Which one is students? Telecommunication, जो कि आज की डेट में हम यूज कर रहे हैं. We are taking our class on Zoom. तो Zoom कैसे चल रहा है बेटा? नेट से ही तो हम यूज कर रहे हैं, नेट यूज कर रहे हैं for our Zoom class. Then WhatsApp, these are the apps which we are using nowadays. So telecommunication is the fastest and easiest means of communication. Now the next is mass communication. Okay students, what is mass communication? Now see, what is mass communication? When we communicate to the large number of people at one time, when we communicate with large number of people, that is called mass communication. तब telecommunication में क्या होता था कि हम limited लोगों से ही at a time बात कर सकते हैं, like video calls, group chatting and all with limited persons. But in mass communication, we can communicate with large number of people at one time. That is called mass communication. And newspaper, magazine, television, radio, etc. are the example of mass communication. Understood, sir? Now let's study in detail about this means of communication. So first one is newspaper. Everybody knows about newspaper. Important incidents happening in the world, country or village can be read through newspaper. In telecommunication, we only know about the near and dear ones, but through mass communication, through newspaper, we can know about what is happening, what is going on all around us in country, in world or in villages. Okay students, we can come to know the latest happening in and around us. Through newspaper only we come to know what is going on around us. We can only come to know with the help of newspaper. Then the next is radio. Now next is radio. Radio news and important messages are broadcast through a radio. आप सबके घर में मे भी हो सकता है, सबके घर में रेडियो हो, आपने देखा हो, सुना हो. तो इसमें क्या होता है, immediately the message, the important news broadcast immediately to every corner of the world. And in radio we can only listen the news. We can't watch it like TV. That जैसे हम टीवी पे देखते हैं वैसे हम रेडियो पे नहीं देख सकते. We can only listen to the news. In the same way, टेलीविज़न also, टेलीविज़न में भी हमको हर जगह की न्यूज़ देखने को मिल जाती है. इनफैक्ट जो न्यूज़ हमें दे रहा है उसे भी you can see that person also, those who are giving news, and you can see the place of that news also. And this is all about the chapter, students. In this chapter, we have learned about communication and different means of communication, that is postal communication, telecommunication. जो कि पोस्टल कम्युनिकेशन nowadays क्या है, रिड्यूस हो गया, काफ़ी कम हो गया है. टेलीकम्युनिकेशन इज गोइंग ऑन, ये चल रहा है. एंड मास कम्युनिकेशन इज ऑल्सो गोइंग ऑन. मास कम्युनिकेशन रिलेटेड टू टेलीविजन, रेडियो, न्यूज़पेपर, मैगजीन, एंड विच वी कैन कम्युनिकेट with group of people at a time, that is called mass communication. And telecommunication, which we connect with wire or sometimes wireless also, that is called telecommunication. Telephone, internet, phone, fax, these are the example of telecommunication. So I hope you all understood this chapter. Now we will do the exercise of this chapter in next video. Till then, bye, have a nice. Now students, we will do the exercise of the chapter. Here comes a letter. Our first exercise is fill in the blanks. And first question is, sending and receiving messages is called, what we call, when we send or receive messages, we call it communication. C-O-M-M-U-N-I-C-A-T-I-O-N, communication. Okay, students. So sending and receiving messages is called communication. Okay. Second one is the radio was invented by Marconi. M-A-R-C-O-N-I, Marconi. So the radio was invented by Marconi. Now the next is letters can be sent to other countries through which we can send letters to other countries, students, and aerogram. A-E-R-O-G-R-A-M, aerogram. With the help of aerogram, we can send letters to other countries. Now the next one is email means dash mail. What is this E stands for? This E stands for electronic mail. So email means electronic mail. Now the last one is I use dash to make a call directly to my friend abroad. When you are calling to abroad or in other country, we have to use ISD call to make call. We use ISD. That ISD is stand for International Subscriber Dialing. So this is used to ISD is used to make directly call to abroad or in other country. Now here again I am going to repeat. Sending and receiving messages is called communication. Then the radio was invented by Marconi. Then the next is letters can be sent to other countries through an aerogram. Now the next one is email means electronic mail. Last one is I use ISD to make a call directly to my friend abroad. ISD means International Subscriber Dialing. This is stand for ISD. So this is all about fill in the blanks exercise